Does your ankle pain while walking, running or exercise? You're not alone. Ankle pain and injuries are one of the most common I see today. In this video, I'm going to break down the causes and demonstrate the best exercise to fix it. The three main causes of ankle pain and injuries are lack of stability, lack of mobility, and third is combination of both. Because of all these, you get ankle sprain, arthritis, tendinitis, plantar fasciitis, and weakening and poor balance. Today I'm going to demonstrate a few exercises to stretch those muscles around the ankle joint and strengthen them up. So let's dive into the exercises. The first two exercises is the ankle mobility. I'm going to use the foam roller. If you don't have the foam roller, you can also use the pillow. So what you're going to do, keep the foam roller in front of you and place your one leg above the foam roller, and your foot should be a little bit away from the foam roller. Now we'll go for ankle flexion, dorsiflexion and plantar flexion. So take your ankle up and then take it down. We'll go for 15 reps. Up and down is 1 rep. When you're doing this exercise, make sure you're not bending your knee. We're just working on the ankle joint. And relax. Now we'll go for inversion, eversion. So take your foot in and then out. Go for 10 reps, 10 to 15 reps. And relax. Switch other side. Take your ankle up and then down. Breathe naturally and keep your knees straight and relax. Now take your ankle in and then out. In and out is 1 rep. We'll go for 15 reps and relax. Now the second exercise is ankle alphabets. We are going to write the alphabets from the ankle joint. Now when you're doing this exercise, make sure you keep your knees straight because we're just working on the ankle and all the planes of the ankle. So keep your one leg above the foam roller. Now we're going to write capital ABC. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and you'll continue till Z. Switch at the side. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and relax. Continue till Z while doing this exercise. The next exercise is the mobility exercise. We are going to increase the dorsiflexion movement of your ankle joint. Dorsiflexion is when you lift your ankle up. So what you're going to do, get in half kneeling posture, and now from here we are going to bring the knee forward. You'll feel the stretch near to your ankle joint. Hang in here for at least 15 seconds. Breathe naturally. Make sure you're not lifting your heel above the ground. Go for at least 10 reps. Relax. Now we are going to go for right side. Same position, just move your knee towards your right side. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds. Come back. Now take it towards the left side. See where you feel more stretch and hang in there. Relax. Switch other side. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds. Come back. Now take your knee towards the right side. Relax. Now take it towards the left side. And relax. The next exercise, we are going to stretch the plantar flexion muscles. So you'll feel the stretch in front of your foot as well as your shin. So what you're going to do, place your foot on the floor like this and get in your kneeling posture. Now sit on your calf. Stay like this if you feel the stretch. If you don't feel a lot of stretch, then lean your body back. Now hang in here for 15 seconds. Breathe naturally. Then come forward, relax. Again, go for at least 3 to 5 reps. And relax. The next exercise is gastrocnemius stretch. So the calf has two muscles, gastrocnemius and soleus. So we are going to work on the gastrocnemius first and then soleus. So what you're going to do is stand in front of the chair and take your one leg back and get in half lunge position. Now from here you're going to bend your right leg and lean your body forward, and you'll feel the stretch behind your leg, above your ankle. Feel the stretch here. Hold for at least 30 to 45 seconds. Breathe naturally. Hang in here. And relax. Now switch other side. Take your other leg back. Get in half kneeling, half lunge position. Make sure you're not lifting your heel up. Your heel should touch the floor. Bring your body forward. Hold for 30 to 45 seconds. Go for at least 3 reps each side. Breathe naturally. And relax. The next one is soleus. So we are going to do the same movement, like same posture, but we are going to bend the opposite leg too. So the movement is going to look like, bring your right leg forward, bend your right knee. Now instead of taking your leg back, bring it slightly forward and bend your left knee. Now lean your body forward. You'll feel the stretch here above your ankle joint. And stay in this position for 30 to 45 seconds. Make sure you're not lifting the heel above the ground. You should touch the floor. Breathe naturally. And relax. Switch other side. Bend your left knee and then right knee. Lean your body forward. Hold for 30 to 45 seconds and go for at least 3 reps each side. Breathe naturally and relax. Next exercise is heel raises. So you're going to stand on the stairs and drop your heels down. So usually what people do, they just go for half range of motion, which is not very effective. So take your heel down and then lift it up. Do it as slow as you can. Go for 10 to 15 reps into 2 to 3 sets. Breathe naturally and keep your upper body straight. And relax. The last exercises are toe raises. For this one, you can sit on the chair or sofa, or you can also do these exercises standing posture. So we're going to lift the toes up and bring it back. We're working on tibialis anterior. Go for at least 15 reps into 2 to 3 sets. Breathe naturally when doing this exercise and relax. I hope you feel better with these exercises. Do comment and let me know about your recovery and how you felt after doing these exercises, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.